Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And today we got a quick one for you. Yeah, we're talking about the Harbor Freight 5-drawer mechanics tool carts. Now, these have been a big item over at Harbor Freight. Lots of people like them, and they got even more popular as they came out in more colors. Originally it was just the red, then we saw the red, the blue, and the black. And now we've got the Skittles of rainbows and even a white cart, if you can believe it. But they all have one thing in common that a lot of people don't like. And that is the shiny chrome, because, on some of the other manufacturers, in fact, even on like the Icon line and stuff like that, some of the items come in with a black trim rather than the chrome. And if you're ready to do the chrome delete, Harbor Freight has, I can't believe they did this. They've come out with the black trim kit for the mechanics cart. Now, I did talk to them about this, and basically what they said was that they've been hearing a lot of people ask for this. They decided to come out with it. If it's popular, they'll start doing this for the other carts and cabinets that they have. I know a lot of people have been asking about this. It's a big mod online, people figuring out ways to do this. Well, here you go. And the price, it's hard to beat. I mean, $10. That's without a coupon. And you get a 20% off coupon on that. Well, it's a U.S. General. It's probably going to be excluded. But like when they do the 5 items under $10 one, there's going to be a great coupon for this. Anyway, the point of the matter is this is going to give you the option here with these, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces here to change the whole look of your cart. Of course, you can do it on not just the green, but a lot of us think it stands out, really pops on the green. What do you think there? I gotta say, I like it. I can't wait to see it in the larger cabinets because I think it's a cool look. I'm not a big fan of big shiny chrome kind of stuff. Maybe you are. Let me know down below. Are you excited about this? Are you planning to do it? I mean, $10 mod. Why not, right? Anyway, real quick, just want to talk about some of the other items. We've talked about new items, the leaked stuff. Well, Harbor Freight's like, fine, they've leaked it. Let's give them the price. So we got some prices on some of the leaked stuff. We got the Hercules wet dry vac here. This is the 2-gallon portable one, and it's got a price on it of $120. We've got the Bauer belt sander. We jokingly refer to these as the racing sanders. And this has got a price on it of $60. And then we have the new Bauer 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw. Now, this isn't a slider. This is your basic miter saw, but it's a 12-inch. That's a big boy there. $200. Looks great, doesn't it? It's got everything you're going to need if you're not looking for a slider. And one of the benefits of a non-slider is typically you get a better cut out of it. All right. The sliding mechanism, it's got its faults. That anytime you try to do more with something, that's what you're going to run into. But if you're looking for that, $200, not a bad choice. Anyway, as I said, just a quick video to get out here because I know a lot of you have been waiting on that Chrome Delete kit, and they finally got it. So, don't ask me if they have it in your store. Harbor Freight's got the thing where you can check, if it's in store. You come down here, as it says in my store here, it says, over here, back in stock soon. So we don't have it here. Maybe you'll have it in your store soon. This is an item I think will get shipped out fairly quickly. So let me know if you've seen it at your stores or this is something you're planning to do. Put it down in the comments down below. While you're down there, don't forget to chomp the old like button. Hit the subscribe, ring that bell, all that good YouTube kind of stuff. Anyway, till next time, that's all the bear has for you. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.